Hey folks, and welcome back to another video in the series where I'm going to take you through in detail the Builderall platform. And today what I wanted to do was jump in to the builders section of Builderall and to concentrate more specifically on the Cheetah Funnel Builder. So this enables you, as the name suggests, to build funnels, and this is really a powerful tool. So the easiest way for me to show you what this does is to build out and show you what's involved in putting together a hypothetical funnel. Okay, so I am just going to do this on the fly, no specific agenda. I'm not building something specifically for myself, but this will show you the power of Builderall and what it does, and enable you to make hopefully an informed decision as to whether this would be something that you'd like to take a trial of. So let's start off by adding a funnel. So very, very easy to get started. What you need to do is just give it a title. I'm going to just be very simple and say test 1. And now the theme. What you can do is you can choose a blank theme, a business funnel, an app funnel, a course funnel, a coach funnel, a muscle mass funnel, a car funnel, agency funnel, beard treatment funnel, stop smoking funnel, white theme funnel, blue funnel, dark theme funnel, pink funnel, yellow funnel, etc., etc. Cookbook, complete home renovation. I think you're really getting the picture that there's quite a few predetermined or preloaded templates for you to use. Now, I don't propose to go through each and every one of those because the video would be probably long and boring. So I'm just going to pick a business funnel. So the blank theme enables you to do whatever you want. So don't be constrained and think that you only have to pick from these funnels. You can start from scratch, and any of the funnels that are pre-loaded, you can actually amend to get the look and feel of what you want anyway. But for the purposes of this, let's go ahead and create a funnel. Test 1 based on a business funnel. So that is now just saving, and up pops test 1. There are some like tour features. Personally, I don't bother with those because I'm fairly used to the software now, so I'll just get rid of that. If you wanted to take the trial, you can explore more hands-on yourself, but I'm just going to go ahead and click and start the funnel. So now what it prompts you is, what do you want to do? Do you want lead capture? Do you want a sales process? Do you want a webinar process? A membership info products, a thank you, other pages, blueprints where they're like again preloaded for you, and images that you can just select user traffic. You can upload your own images for the purposes of building out your funnel. Now, the good thing about this is that this is almost working on the basis of like a funnelytics principle, where you get to see how your funnel is connected to each part. Now, you can do it that way, or you can do it through the blueprints way. It all ends up as a workable funnel. So I'm just going to start with a lead capture, and then I have the options of squeeze page, reverse squeeze. If you don't know what all these terms are because you're a beginner, don't worry about it. You'll get used to what all of these can do. In essence, a squeeze page is just capturing your emails. A bridge page is just acting as the buffer between an affiliate offer and how you're sending traffic to that affiliate offer, because affiliate offers raw, if you're promoting them, most vendors do not like you sending traffic direct to the affiliate link because it affects what they call the EPCs, the earnings per click. So they prefer that bridge page, and it's always good practice to do that anyway, because you can capture the email yourself before you forward it on to the ultimate affiliate page. So I'm just going to do a very basic squeeze page for the purposes of this, and then what this does is it hits us up into the blueprint area, or the kind of equivalent to the Funnelytics, where you get to see how you start to build out your funnel. So the squeeze page essentially is a form, and you can add different bits and pieces to this. This is, sorry, that's just the plus and minus. So if we want to look specifically, and I'm just going to move my screen out of the way a bit so that you can see this. Your page, squeeze page, you can choose an image for it. You can tell the system whether it's your home page, and you can preview, and then you can choose another page. So you can also utilize pop-ups, you can split test, and you can add tags. Now, the split test is a really nice feature because a lot of the funnel builders do not necessarily at the base level allow you to do split testing without paying additional premium fees. So that's really good. Anyone in internet market knows that split testing is the way that we really test how a funnel is performing on multiple versions of copy, so that we can see and get real data as to how our copy is working in the minds of our target audience. It enables us to hone, refine, and get better results from the campaigns. So back to the page, if we were to preview that now, because we haven't added any images or anything like that, it's not going to look particularly fancy, but this is the basics of it. Okay, you put your title, subscribe, and you're capturing the email and the first name, instant access. This is all 100% available for you to essentially amend and control and detail and define how you want. Okay, so we're going to go back here. This is a very, very simple squeeze page, by the way. Again, sorry, I'll move my screen out of the way. And this is now the form. So you can edit the name, you can leave it as form, or you can call it whatever you want. And this is where you assign how you're going to capture the email information, the first name, second name, if you've got it loaded in there, and the email. You can either create a new list, or you can load an existing list that you already have in Builderall. So it's very easy to do. I know I've used some software before where you actually have to come out of this, you have to save and exit to then go and create a new list, and then come back and continue if you've forgotten to do it before you get involved. So the good thing about Builderall is that you're minimizing the times that you have to go in and out of something. It makes it very, very simple. Now, I won't go and create or load, because I've got in the load list, I've got some information there that is private, because it contains email information, so I'm not going to show that. But the purpose is really just to give you an idea of the funnel builder, and how easy it is. Once you've finished, then you can save it and you generate your site, and you just basically let it be somewhere on the internet with the domain and address that that's been generated when you generate the site, and then start driving traffic to it. You either promote it through ads, or you promote it organically, whichever your chosen method is. But it's a very, very easy way to build a funnel. And the good thing I like about this is it does give you the ability to sort of see how you're going to build it. So that's, I think, really, really cool. So we're just going to go and save, and save is successful. It's showing you it's a bit of a countdown, and that's it. If we want to generate the site, the website is being generated. That's it, successful. Go to website, and there it loads, and that's your address. It's not showing here because I've got the top part of my screen not showing, but there's your squeeze page, and then you can create a new page turbo, create a members area. So once it's created, I've got site settings, script, SEO settings, split test, a lot of stuff to vote systems, GDPR settings. This is really, very, very powerful, and you can create some really, really great, awesome funnels in here as like a what you see is what you get type of drag and drop situation. I know that this is probably just a very sort of quick overview. I could spend 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours even going into very detailed training on this, but it's really the overview and the review of one part of Builderall. This is just one part, folks, so bear that in mind. If we bear in mind that you can create webinars, you can create websites, you can create all manner of things that we're going to get into in following reviews of Builderall. So I really do hope that this has served some useful purpose for you in terms of the funnel builder part of Builderall, and that's just one part of just over, I think, close to 40 applications inside this piece of software, and it really does deserve a trial so that you can go through it and see yourself just how much value you're getting all in one place compared to other pieces of software that are out there right now. And the price point is actually, if you're not earning any money in your business, the price point may seem scary. It's just under $90 per month. That's US. But if you're running a business and you're earning from your business, then really this is not an expensive piece of software. But I do understand that not everyone is currently earning. They've come into the scene, they're looking for options. It may be that if you're in that space, this is not for you. I'm not here to promote it to put you into debt. I'm not here to promote it to get you into a situation where you're losing money. That doesn't make any sense. The whole purpose of a business is to make money. So do bear that in mind. If you're building your business and you have no revenue, you really should be looking for free options, and they are available. Like in the autoresponder space, we're going to get into what Builderall does for managing emails and capturing emails. There is, for example, Email Octopus that is free up to 2,500 email names. There is Aweber, which I can't remember. I think you're free up until 500, if memory serves me correct. GetResponse, I think, is free up to 500 or possibly 1,000, and there's a number of others. System.io, I'm not sure if it's any longer available for free, but I could be wrong on that. I don't use it personally. I used to. But its price increases and what it delivers in terms of performance wasn't really to my liking for the price point that they now charge. There's better options out there. So rather than rambling on, I will close this video off now. If you have any specific questions, drop them in the comments and I will do my best to respond. And please subscribe to this channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next one, where I'm going to be showing you more in detail of what Builderall offers. Catch you then.